Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to an episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Today we are going through the Mrs. Pattay job lot pick, and if you guys remember, Husqvarna 122HD45 double-bladed hedge trimmer, she says it was running, but I find it kind of hard to believe because it was running this kill switch. So, it is what it is. It seems like, oh, this is broken. Alright, so we gotta pop that out then. Right? See that? I don't have my screwdriver on me. This is poor planning. We are hoping that this is a nice and easy fix. Let's pry this out. What does the old one look like? So we have just tabs that flare out. Let's try this one. I really don't think they want us to remove the entire assembly, right? I mean, that's a little... Okay. Remember, I pried this a certain way. Let's see what we took out. Good switch. Bad switch. So that means the guts are stuck inside. Shizer. Alright, so we have a couple of torques that need to come out. We just need to get some distance in here. We should be good to go. Unless, hold up. Can we fish out this connector? No, this has to come out. Okay, it's one. Two. Is this enough? We'll just keep going, unfortunately. I guess we're just going to have to basically remove this whole handle assembly, which sucks, but ain't nothing ever easy. I think the switch was like less than 10 bucks. I gotta double check. It's been a very long day. And I'll put an ad in the, I'll put a link in the description where to buy it too, in case you need it. You cannot use any generic switch, unfortunately. But thank God it is a reasonable price. Well, this is free. Alright, let's get some surgery. Let's pull this out and see what we unveil. Alright, 2 spade connectors. Alright, maybe I could have fished this out, but I don't want to stretch anything. Alright, so it's simple. Fat and skinny, so match them up. Whatever, wide. I don't want to hear this nonsense. It clips in. Okay, so yeah, so let's see. Maybe we do, because, yeah, let's separate this, because I don't want to mess this up. I heard that clicking sound. I wasn't sure if that was a good click or a bad click. So we're just gonna put this in. Alright, so this thing should have started then, if that serves me right, because it's spring loaded. I don't have to hold it. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I think something got messed up because, look. Now let's just see. I have a feeling something did get messed up. Okay. Now, we're finding for a good time. And we'll fire in the hole. Alright, so that's a good thing. Okay, it works. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Thanks, Miss Pattay. Now, the funny part is, as I've been trimming my bushes one by one, well, not mine, they're my neighbors, I'm just trying to be nice. So, I have someone who keeps lowballing me on my Red Max hedge trimmers, and now I have something for him. His budget is $200. I don't know how much this is worth. I can't imagine it being crazy amount like a Red Max. Even the Husqvarna and Red Max are the same company. This does not reek of Red Max quality. To be honest with you, this feels something economical. Alright, let's try it one more time before we write this off. But now we're going to trim some bushes. See, I did one. Now, let's try and do the other one. to and from. Because I step on my goddamn grass. But that's life. Maybe we should do... Hey, why am I whispering? Maybe, what I'm thinking, right? We should do a shootout. Because I have a bunch of hedge trimmers. Husqvarna, Red Max, Still, and my... Well, these are all my go-to Cobalt 40-volt hedge trimmer. What do you think? Have to get Mrs. Pattay on this, but she's not here because she has coronavirus. She is quarantined, and we won't be seeing her for quite some time. So, excuse me. So, if you guys found this video helpful, actually, wait a minute, hold on. My wife and I, well, just me now, we go live every Saturday, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Every Saturday, live, two of us, well, one of me, whatever. Chit chat, talk about whatever you want, mostly about us, because it's our live. Now, but come on down, it's a good time. A lot of guys come on, and girls, hop on. Just talk about what's going on for the week, because it's easier to do the live and answer all your questions and responses and tell us what's going on here than trying to do a video. It happens. That's life. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and guess what? I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Later.